Introduction. Welcome back to Bike Expert, your go-to destination for the latest and most detailed insights on two-wheelers and compact cars. Today, we're diving into one of the most awaited and talked about budget hatchbacks in India, the 2025 Suzuki Maruti Alto 800. A car that has been a household name for years is now reborn with a fresh look, improved features, and a more refined drive. So, let's explore what makes the 2025 Alto 800 a standout in its segment. A new era in design. Maruti Suzuki has taken a bold step with the 2025 Alto 800's exterior styling. It's no longer just a basic city car, it now carries a more mature and modern appearance. The new model sports a wider grille, redesigned headlamps with a sleeker profile, and a stronger character line along the sides. The bumper is sportier, and the overall stance feels more planted than its predecessors. It's clear that Suzuki wants to attract not just first-time buyers but also those looking for a stylish urban commuter. Interior, functional yet upgraded. Step inside, and the 2025 Alto 800 welcomes you with a practical yet more premium cabin. The dashboard now features dual-tone finishes, a revamped center console, and a digital analog instrument cluster. A 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity now comes in the top variant, a welcome change for tech-savvy drivers. The seats have better cushioning, and though space is still tight for tall passengers, it remains a comfortable option for daily city rides. Performance and engine update. Under the hood, the 2025 Alto 800 continues with the reliable 796 cubic centimeters petrol engine, tuned for improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. It delivers around 48 PS of power and 69 Nm of torque, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. While it's not a speed demon, the engine's smoothness and refined nature make it perfect for urban use. Maruti has also made tweaks to reduce NVH levels, making the ride quieter and more comfortable. Fuel efficiency and mileage. One of the strongest points of the Alto 800 has always been its mileage. The 2025 version claims an impressive 25+ km/L, making it one of the most fuel-efficient petrol cars in its class. With rising fuel prices, this makes the Alto 800 a smart choice for budget-conscious buyers. Safety and features. Safety has received more attention in this generation. Dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and high-speed alert systems are now standard across all variants. The car meets the latest crash test norms, showing Maruti's commitment to safety in entry-level vehicles. Price and variants. Maruti Suzuki has priced the 2025 Alto 800 very competitively, with the base model starting around 3.69 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, and going up to 5.20 Indian rupees lakh for the fully loaded variant. This ensures there's an Alto for every kind of buyer, whether you're looking for a no-frills commuter or a feature-packed city car. Final thoughts. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800.